Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to create a website in HTML and CSS. So first, we will open this code and open our folder. So after that, we are going to create a new file named web.html. Now we will write the OC. I will change the title to whatever the name of your website will be. So first we're going to add a div class navbar. And we're going to add a h1 which is going to say ObaTheCoder. Now we'll add another div which his name is going to be class is going to be content, but you don't really need to add this div. So now we'll save it and copy the path, and we'll go to our browser and paste it. So now we'll see that there's this text that says ObaTheCoder. Now go to this div class navbar and then you write h3 home and then you write h3 for all of the other scenes. So after that, you'll have to create a new file which is going to be named web.css. So now we will write link CSS and I will just change this to web. So after that, we are going to write div. After that, we're going to write div now we're going to write dot navbar. We're going to write background color and then you choose the background color. So now we are going to write h3 and we write and then we are going to write display inline. After that, we'll save it and reload the browser. Now we'll see that there is this part that says home about contact channel, but they are way too close to each other. So now we're going to write margin left 200 px. Now we'll reload it and we'll see that this is in the middle. But for now, we're going to be changing it to 150px. So now we are going to write body and we will write font size 30px. Now we'll save it and reload the browser. Now we'll see that it has become bigger. So now we are going to open Google Fonts. So now we're going to choose this one. So now you're going to just write select regular 400 and then you copy this one. After that, you go to your web.html and then paste it there. So now you go to our CSS file and then write font family. So then we are going to write the name of our font, or you can just copy and paste it. So we'll save it and reload the browser. Now we'll see that the font has changed. And also you can add padding 20px here for it to become bigger. So now I'm going to copy all this. And then I will say, is this the class content? Then I will add a P and then paste it. But after that we'll realize that it is too big. So we can just add a BR where we want there to be. So we can just add a BR at some parts of them. Now we will reload it. Now we'll see that we have this. So the last thing we'll have to do is to change the background color. So all of you probably already know how to do this. So now we're going to change it to the background to orange or whatever color you want the background to be. Now we reload it and see that it has an orange background. Or if you want then you can get an image from Google add, after that we are going to add, after that you write background image URL img.jpg or whatever the name of your image is. Then we will reload our browser, but then we'll see that it is repeating a lot, which we don't want. So we're going to write background repeat, no repeat, and we're also going to write background size cover. Now we will reload the browser. Now we'll see that it finally covers it. So now we are going to write background color gray, but you can change the variation of the gray to a little bit darker. And after that we are going to write background blend mode multiply. After that we will reload the browser. Now we'll see that this background is darker. So now we are going to write h1 and we'll write now we're going to write h1 and then we will write background color and then we'll write color. Then you can set it to like whitish color. Then we reload the browser. Then we'll see that this color is lighter. And we'll also do the same thing for the paragraph. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!